Okay, so if you want to be good in blood relations, you should know few points. You should know few points. Okay, you know the easiest and non-confusing way to solve these type of problems, would be to draw a family tree diagram. Okay, and increase the level of hierarchy. I am going to show below. If you want to increase your yeah, so please please note down this particular chart. Whenever anyone is doing the question, always there are 5 generations. Always there are 5 generations. Okay, the first generation, guys, the first stage, grandparents. Okay, the first generation is what? Grandparents. 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 Okay, grandparents. Okay, in grandparents, who will come into the picture? Okay, so grandfather, 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 grandmother. Okay, grandmother, 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 and granduncle, granduncle. I'll tell you whom should we call granduncle. Okay, granduncle and grand aunt, grand aunt, grand aunt. So this is a first stage. Okay, first stage. And the second stage, the second stage is what? Parents. Your parents. Okay, your parents and in-laws. In-laws, I'll tell you there are beautiful concept about in-laws. So before that, please write down simply. So in-laws. So in in-laws and parents, who will come? Your parents will come. Parents means father will come, father will come, mother will come, mother will come. Okay, your uncle and aunts will come. Okay, your uncle and aunt will come. Next, father-in-law will come. Father-in-law. Whom should we call father-in-law? Yeah, father-in-law. Your spouse. Father is your father-in-law. What do you mean by spouse? Okay, what do you mean by spouse? Wife or husband is called what? Spouse. Wife or husband is called what, guys? Spouse. There is a third generation. Okay, your generation. Siblings. Siblings will come. Siblings means here, siblings means same parents children. Spouse. Spouse. Okay, and in-laws. In-laws. What do you mean by in-law? Here, in-laws. Okay, so brother will come, your sister will come, your cousins will come. Okay, okay, your cousins will come. I'll explain every point. Okay, your wife will come. If you're a female, your husband will come. Okay, and if your spouse is having sisters, brothers, brother-in-laws will come and sister-in-laws will come. Okay, sister-in-law, sister-in-law. Okay, and next generation, children, children. Okay, children's and in-laws. Yeah, always in-laws is going to your daughter. Son will come, daughter will come, daughter will come, niece and nephew. Okay, niece and nephew, nephew, son-in-law, son-in-law, father-in-law. Okay, father-in-law, sorry, son-in-law, not father-in-law, it's daughter-in-law. Okay, it's what? Daughter-in-law. Okay, daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law. I'll tell you whom should we call, everything I'll tell you. Okay, and the next one is grandchildren, grandchildren. Okay, and the next one is what? Grandchildren, grandchildren. Okay, so grandchildren means grandson, granddaughter. Okay, grandson and granddaughter. This is called first stage, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, fourth and fifth. Pause the video and please note down all the relations. Okay, please note down all the relations. Yeah, now I'll explain one by one. Okay, I'll ask you a question. Pause the video and try to answer your question. Okay, how is your mother's, brother's, daughter related to you? How is your mother's? If I ask you this question for boys, especially for boys, how is your mother's, brother's, daughter related to you? Okay, 90% of the people, they'll say answer sister-in-law. Okay, sister-in-law, sister-in-law. If I ask you this question, like for girls, how is your mother's, brother's, son related to you? 90% of the people will say brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Okay, brother-in-law. Okay, brother-in-law. Guys, trust me, these two are wrong answers, and you should know what do you mean by sister-in-law. Guys, sister-in-law, according to law, she is your sister. Brother-in-law, according to law, he is your brother. So in-law is a very nice relation. Point number one, marriage. Okay, marriage is, marriage is according to law. After marriages only in-laws will come into the picture. Okay, okay, your spouse. What do you mean by spouse? Husband or wife. Okay, your spouse parents are your. So guys, the point is this. So after marriages only in-laws will come. So marriages, marriage is according to law. Okay, after marriages only in-laws will come into the picture. If you are getting married, okay, so your spouse parents will become your mother-in-law, father-in-law. Your spouse sister will become your sister-in-law. Your spouse brother will become, either male, either you are male or female, it doesn't matter. Your spouse parents are become your mother, father. According to law, they are your mother and father. Okay, your spouse sister is become your sister according to law. Your spouse brother is become your brother according to law. So that's why in-laws are very very important. Okay, guys, most of the students, they'll do mistakes here in the form of in-laws. Okay, so don't do uh, mistakes in in-laws. So the point is this: your our previous question, your mother's brother's daughter, she is your cousin. Mother's brother's son, that fellow is your cousin. Okay, there is no cousin brother, there is no cousin sister in the world. Okay, that point is very very important. And point number two, look at here. Okay, so two more questions. People do mistakes. If I ask you questions like, how is your sister son related to you? If I ask you for girls, they will say son, sir, son. Okay, if I ask you this question, how is your brother son related to, for boys, the 90% they will say brother. No, your son only your son, your sister son will be your sister son. Okay, that point you should be clear. In our culture we used to call them son daughter. No, so we should call them as, see, brother or sister's daughter. Brother or sister's daughter is called niece. Okay, is called what? Niece. Brother or sister's son is called what? Nephew. Nephew. These 2 points are, people will get confused. They end up with the wrong answers. And one more point. The point here is a very funny note. The point is this. They used to call what? How is your grandmother's brother related to you? We used to call them as grandfather only. But trust me, there are your grandfather only, your grandfather. Someone's grandfather is not your grandfather. So the point is this: whom should we call grandfather? Your parents are only your grandfathers. Okay, so your grandmother's brother is what? Your grand uncle. So write down every relation one by one. Okay, every relation one by one. Okay, so please write down. First we'll write every relation. First, mother or father's son. Okay, mother or mother's or father's son. Mother or father's son, brother. Okay, mother or father's son is what, guys? Brother. Next, mother or father's daughter. Mother or father's daughter. Okay, your mother or father's daughter will become your what? Sister. Apart from you, these relations. Okay, these relations, sister. Okay, mother or father's brother. Your mother's brother or father's brother. He is called what? Your uncle. He is called your what? Uncle. Okay, next, mother or father's sister. Okay, mother or father's sister. She will become your what? Aunt. She will become your what? Aunt. Next, mother or father's mother. Your mother or father's mother. She is going to your grandmother. Okay, grandmother. Next, mothers or father's father. Okay, father. So he is going to your grandfather. Grandfather. Okay, so this is all about relations regarding your mother and father. Okay, mother and father. So pause the video and try to answer this. Try to write it. Next, write down grandmother's grand grandmother's brother. Grandmother's brother. Your grandmother's brother. Okay, that fellow is what? Your grand uncle. Okay, your grandmother's brother will become your what? Grand uncle. Okay, next, your grandmother's sister. Your grandmother's sister. She is called what? Grand aunt. Okay, next, your grandfather brother is called what? He is also what? Your grand uncle. Okay, next, grandfather's father's grandfather's sister. Grandfather's sister. She is called what? Grand aunt. Grand aunt. She is called what, guys? Grand aunt. Okay. So pause the video and try to write all the relations. Try to write all the relations. Next. Next. Write down. Next. Write down. Sisters. Sisters. Sisters are brother's son. Sisters are brother's son. Your sister or brother's son is what? Is what just now we discussed. Sister or brother's son is what? Nephew. Okay, sister or brother's son is what, guys? Nephew. Nephew. Okay. Sister or brother's daughter. Okay, sister or brother's daughter. Okay, daughter. Sister or brother's daughter. She is your what? Okay, sister or brother's daughter. Daughter. She is your what? Okay, niece. She is your what? Niece. Okay, niece. Niece. Next. Next. Uncle or aunt, son or daughter. Yeah, your uncle. Your uncle or aunt, son or daughter. What? You should call them as what? Cousins. You should call them as what, guys? Cousins. Okay, your uncle or aunt, cousins. They are called your what? Cousins. Next. Next. Son's wife. Your son is getting married. Okay. His wife is what? Your son is getting married. So someone coming to your family, you treat them as what? Your daughter. Okay, your daughter. Okay, so according to the law, she will become daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Okay, next. Daughter's husband. Daughter's husband. Daughter's husband. Daughter's husband. Okay, so one guy is coming to your family, you treat them as your son. Okay, according to law, he is your son-in-law. Son-in-law. Okay, son-in-law. Okay, son-in-law. Next. 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 Husband or wife's sister. Okay, husband or wife sister. Husband or wife sister. Okay, is called what? Sister-in-law. 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 Next. Husband. Husband or wife. Wife's daughter. Sorry, husband or wife's brother. Brother. That fellow is your brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Okay, that fellow is what? Your brother-in-law. Okay, brother-in-law. Okay, next. Next. Sister's husband. Sister's husband. Okay, sister's husband. Okay, that fellow is also your brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Okay, sister's husband is what? Brother-in-law. Brother's wife. Brother's wife. Okay, your brother's wife is what? Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Okay, so let me repeat. Your brother's wife is your sister-in-law. Okay, or your husband or wife. It may be anything. So I can say your spouse sister is your sister-in-law, and your brother's wife is also sister-in-law. Your spouse brother is your brother-in-law. Your sister husband is also brother-in-law. Okay, brother-in-law. Next. Next. Next, children of same parents. Children of same parents. Children of same parents is called what? Siblings. Okay. Children of same parents is called what, guys? Siblings. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so if you want to call someone as sibling, it must be, same parents' children. Then only we call it as what? Siblings. Otherwise, we don't call it as what? Siblings. Next, children. Who will come in the children? Son or daughter will come. Children. Okay. Children's children only. Grandchildren. Children's children only. What? Grandchildren. Okay. Okay. You have to remember here the word spouse. Okay. Spouse means what? Please write down, everybody. Spouse. Okay. Spouse. Spouse means what? Either wife. Okay. Either wife or husband. 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 Okay. And so the point here is this: grandfather, grandmother will come in first stage. Okay. Mother, father, uncle, and aunt will come in the second stage. Sister, brother, sisters, brother, and cousins will come at the third stage. Son, daughter, niece, nephew will come in the fourth stage. And finally, granddaughter and grandsons will come in the fifth stage. Okay, there are fifth stage. Okay, so I want you to tell you, let's look at here. Whenever your generation, who will come? Your generation. You will come. Your spouse will come. If you get married, your spouse will come. Okay, your brother will come, your sister will come, your brother-in-law will come, your sister-in-law will come, your cousins will come. Okay, so this is your generation. Above your generation. Okay, your mother will come, father will come, their siblings. Okay, your uncle will come, your aunt will come. Okay, your spouse parents, mother-in-law will come, mother-in-law will come, father-in-law will come. Okay, and their above generation, their parents, grandmother will come, grandfather will come. Okay, grandmother will come, grandfather will come, and granduncle, grandaunt. Your below generation, will, who will come into the picture? Your below generation. Your son will come, your daughter will come, your niece will come, your nephew will come. Okay, if your daughter get married, okay, so son-in-law will come. Okay, if your son get married, your daughter-in-law will come into the picture. Below their generation, who will come? Grandson will come, granddaughter will also come into the picture. Okay, so these type of generations will come. You have to be very careful while solving the blood relations questions. Okay, type 1 questions. Questions, the relationship between two people is given through a roundabout a way of relating them through other people. We have to go through the series of relationships and finally determine the question. The relationships can be given as a simple statement or a statement made by a person. Okay, someone is going to tell. There are few examples, we can see. Someone is going to tell, or we'll see with the examples, we will understand what is